In another primetime news follow-up now, a staunch defense from Prime Minister Andrew Holness about the government's handling of the National Heroes Park redevelopment project. At the recent RGR Gleaner Town Hall meeting, residents of Allman Town blasted the administration for what they argued is a lack of information about the development. Mr. Holness has hit back, questioning whether some of the criticisms were politically motivated. More in this report.
Allman Town residents did not mince words as they expressed their frustration about the uncertainty of their future as the government prepares to roll out the National Heroes Circle redevelopment project.
If the government believes that we are going to sit back and allow them to come in and relocate us and displace us from our families, it is not going to happen.
On Thursday, Mr. Holness told a press briefing that he has taken note of the statements made, as well as the concerns, some of which he contends were inaccurate.
My perspective is that it may have been hijacked for political reasons.
Mr. Holness promised to go back to the community to place the facts on record. He maintains that it's in the best interest of the country and by extension the citizens living in the area to redevelop the National Hero Circle. He insisted that citizen involvement will be key.
It was never the intention of the government to just go in and bulldoze and dislocate and remove people. But things require a process. We are not at that process just yet. We are still, and we could have gone and developed the project internally, bring it to a point where all the details have been resolved, and then we come to the public. No, what we did was, while we are developing the project internally, we are informing the public.
There was an admission, however, that there are gaps in terms of the information relating to the project, but
people take that gap and exploit it, which ends up now making the project seem like some devious connivance of the government to undermine the people of the community.
And just as persons have had questions of the Prime Minister, he too had questions.
Should the people who live in those communities remain in that way for the next 20, 30, 40 years, as they have been since the last 40 years? Who is saying, let us transform your community? What should the people who are working on the project do? Back away from it now? Which is effectively what has been created in the public domain.